Hi guys, welcome back. For today's live stream, let's do a challenge run for our development. Let's try to speed run this system for this builder flag, since we already have a builder flag. Let's speed run this system to other crafting buildings, which is our workbench, this one, and our mining system, which is this one. So basically, we're gonna replicate everything we have from the previous system and duplicate them to the current or the existing systems that we have. So the challenge will run. Right now it's 12:08. It's noontime, and my goal is to finish this build before I fetch my kid Siri. She will go out of from school around 2:30, so we have 2 hours and 30 minutes to fix and implement all of these systems to the rest of the workbenches. Anyway, so yesterday we have some issues with a floating hatchet, so I already fixed it off screen, so it's already done. And right now all we need to do is just copy all the systems we have from this builder system, and we're just gonna replicate them to our workbench. Maybe we'll do the workbench first. So for the workbench, the goal is to build upgradables for the plank storage, stone slab, and the cloth storage, as well as the tool storage. So we will start with this one. As for the racks, this one, the rack, this is by default. So I think we don't need to upgrade this one. So the idea is for the rack to be there by default. All right, so let's start and work on the workbench. So apart from that, while waiting for this to load, I'll show you some stuff. We already have new systems or new weapons rather for the Spriggan. So yesterday we have the ancient scythe, this one, and we also have the elder. So this is the elder version. So a bit darker, like the sharp part is dark. So the elder is a lower tier compared to the ancient. So ancient will glow, has emission. Anyway, so okay, so let's start. So let's start by copying this banner. So the good thing about these systems is you can just copy and then paste it to newer systems. So workbench here, just paste it here. Okay, and then we're gonna move it. Let's move the builder flag here somewhere. Maybe here for now. I think this will do. Just put it here. Yeah. Okay, so this will be the builder flag for the workbench. And inside this flag, we will have upgradables, right? So the things that we're gonna upgrade. So let's check the settings here first. Let's see. So we have builder flag, then this is our UI, and this connects to our object controller, which connects to our UI, and the main canvas as well. Then we will check the UI first and see. Let's go to the UI. Okay, so this is the UI. Let's remove this one first so that we will see. Okay, there you go. So this is the UI now for the workbench. So let's change the view first. Okay, so at first, wait, this one. So what do we have here? We have different storages. We have blank storage. We have we don't have firewood storage, but like most of our storages are just like uses blanks. So we'll start with the first one. Let's go with cloth storage. Let's call this cloth storage. Cloth storage. Okay. And then let's modify the names. This should be build cloth storage. There. Build cloth storage. Okay, so next we're gonna change the logo. So let's use cloth. Already have that. And then change the size. Then the build name should be cloth storage. Then description, we don't have a description yet. Let's go to GPT and quickly create a description. Okay, this is the old one. Make a description for cloth storage. Okay, then while waiting, build cost should be only planks. So the requirements should just be planks, so no more logs. So just planks, and then the amount, it should be 10. Build cost. Here, so there should be no planks, so let's delete this array. Then let's put here 10 there, and it connects to this, so this is correct already. Okay, so that's done. Let's check the description. It proves following stacking. Occasionally branch. No, that's yeah, expand most storage capacity. Plus storage capacity. Oh, and quicker deposits. And is woven materials into. Yeah, this will do for now. Let's just use this. So description there. So that's good. Then let's just do the UI first. Everything UI related. This one is done. Let's go to the plank storage. So far we're I think 7 minutes in. 7 minutes since we started the speedrun. Okay. Oh no, it's 8 minutes. So let's go. This is the next one. We're gonna have plank, so this is already here. Then we're gonna go to the next one, which is the firewood storage. So here. So firewood, let's change it to build stone slab. Stone slab storage. Then the icon should be stone slabs. This. Let's reset the size. Is this the size? Yeah, that should be it. And then the name should be stone slab storage. Description. Okay, let's ask GPT. Make one for stone slab. It's just For the requirements, it's the same. We'll be using planks, so we don't need to change this. Okay, so while waiting, let's proceed to the next one. The next one should be tool storage here. So it's the same requirements, but the difference is the tool. So the tool should not be hatchet, but hammer. Let's just use screwed hammer. It's basic. And the name is still the same, tool storage. Okay. Store stone slabs in simple wood crates, keeping heavy materials organized, easy for minions to unload. Okay. I think this provides low wooden. This is rough wooden crates to contain while keeping work site tidy and supporting small thickness. This will be okay as well. Yeah, we can do D. Yeah, let's do that for now. This one, oh no, not that one, but this one. There, and then a description for tools. Tools here are hammers. This is not construction work, but crafting crude items. Yeah. So the workshop is just for crude items, so we can't really make other stuff. It's just crude. So hammers, in a simple rack, keeping tool for ready for use. Or sharing minions access to scooping and working on workbench. Using hammer is instantly arranged, reducing cluster and allowing minions to swap to association during item production. Basic storage for crafting hammers. Make smoother work on produce crude tools and make. Yeah, this will do. D is good. For some reason, we always choose D, option D. Okay, so this is good now. Let's review. So this is the content group. Let's go to the top. There. So we have the cloth storage upgrades the rack to hold more cloth bundles, supporting larger crafting orders and missing storage bottlenecks. That's good. And requires planks. True. Plank storage is still the same. Improves sustainability and showing faster deposits. Okay. We're gonna change this, I think, so that it should relate to the crafting. Because this old one is generic. For planks, we already have this for the lumberyard. Let's make another one for the workbench. First time, space access near the workbench doesn't mean it's gather. Okay. Let's try this signal planks easy reach. Okay, this is good. Okay. This should be good. Okay, next. So it's all good now. Let's try review. Let's review first. Okay, so everything seems to be fine. Next, let's test the UI and see firsthand. Let's save this one. Let me just check the lumberyard first, because I need to orient this UI as well to the correct position, because I think the UI from the lumberyard is wrong. I think. See, it's down at the tool storage. We want it to be set at the top first, like so. Okay, should be correct now. All right, let's test the UI. Okay, so for those who are just watching right now, I'm trying to do a speed run. So I'm speed running the entire functionality of the building system to the rest of the crafting stations. And my goal is to finish everything in just 2 hours. Maybe add some more stuff to the game. So since yesterday we Vince and I talked about some UI stuff, UI elements that we need to add in the game as well. So maybe I'm gonna add those things also. So but for now, we're trying to do this. So here we have the cloth storage, upgrades racks to hold more cloth bundles, supporting larger crafting orders, and missing storage bottlenecks. Okay. Plank storage improves map placement and access near the workbench, letting minions grab materials quickly for crafting crude items. Prevents weight clutter and keeps essential planks in easy reach during production. Okay. Uses ruffling crates to contain stone slabs, keeping the work site tidy and supporting smoother construction tasks. Okay. Has basic storage for crafting hammers, supporting smoother workflow when producing crude tools and equipment. So everything seems to be in order. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna link all of these to our storage upgrades. But let's review first the storage upgrades. All right. By the way, for game developers out there, we actually are having some problems or issues with rigging, especially when we're trying to rig multiple items in one character, because we want it to be modular, we want it to be dynamic, right? So if you guys know something or know someone who knows about rigging multiple items in one, like for example this guy is wearing a lot of clothes, right? Just in game we just want to remove the clothes and mix and match them, just activate them if we want that kind of design. So we're trying to find a way to make this process easier for us. We're using Mixamo to do the rigging, by the way. So if you guys have some friends or you know how to do rigging, I need your expert advice on some of this stuff. So if you're willing to help us out, feel free to send me a message on Discord. Thanks. Anyway, so we're back here. Let's go to this one. Let's go to the lumberyard is done. Let's go to the, where is it? The workbench. There. Okay, so let's check this one first. So I already made here some defaults. So we have 2 cloth as defaults, we have stone as default, and so on. So maybe we'll just use this as the default for everything. So storages. So we have here the storages. Let's call this because that's the storages, right? And then this is the storage upgrade down below there. So I think we're gonna separate this one first. We're gonna, so these are the 2 planks, 1 and 2. No, okay, where's this second one and this one? Oh yeah, these 2. So these 2 are the first 2 planks, and we're gonna separate them. This storage will be placed under here, and then we're gonna call this base storage. Empty parents, base storage. Then we can just that. Okay, so I think this would be it. Then I'm gonna go back here and set this one up. So we already set this up before. So we have 2 base capacity, right, for this one. And then here, let's count. We have 18, so a total of 20. So we have here max capacity is 20. So yeah, this is correct already. Settings are correct. And we just need to assign the storage upgrade. So the storage upgrade is this. I'm just gonna place it there. So this should be correct already. Next is let's see, the slab storage. Okay, slab storage. So this is the like we have two here already on the table. So let's separate those two. Since this will be our default, like the base, and these will be placed under storage upgrade. So this will be the storage upgrade. Then these two we will make base base storage. Base storage there. All right, that's done. We're gonna then put the stone upgrade here, and we're gonna compute how many storages we have. So we have 28 by default. Let's compute storages, stone slab. It's at 28, 26 plus 2, so that's 28, so it's correct. So this is correct, 28. Base capacity should be 2, and this one should be 28. So this is correct already. Next, we're gonna proceed. We're gonna proceed to, let me see, storages. Where is it? Here. So we're done with the slab, we're done with the planks. Next is the cloth storage. So plank storage is pretty easy because it's just at the bottom. See? So it's fairly simple. The cloth storage though, it's a bit like the design is there. Like it's one, like something like a cabinetry or something. Like that. So we have here the two base cloth. So again, let's separate them. Storages, let's put it under here. There. Under the storage upgrade. So there'll be just one under one parent. Let's call this base storage like usual. Then by default this is 25, I think. Let's just double check just to be sure. 23 plus 2, so we have 25. So this is correct. So 25, base capacity is 2, max capacity is 25. Okay, so this is done. Last is the tool storage. Okay. So tool storage is a bit tricky. Tool slots, so wait, upgrade. Okay, this is the one. Okay, so I think we need to make this better. So it looks weird, right? So we're gonna upgrade that later to add something to it. Yeah. Okay, so let's do the tool storage, but I forgot how I did it. So let's take reference from the lumberyard. Lumberyard, then storages, tool storage. So we have tool slots separated. Storage upgrade is the rack itself. Okay, and then okay, here's the storage upgrade in the tool storage itself. Okay, so let's do that. So we have the storage upgrade already, this one, and the tool slots are here. So we just need to it's already here actually. So we don't need to do anything maybe. We still need to do something. We need one slot. Oh, it's already here. So I think I don't need to do anything here anymore. It's already finished and done. yeah, so yeah, this is already done. Because for tool storages, we only need one. We don't have something like this where we can set the max capacity and the base capacity, so we don't really need it. Okay, so let's try this one. Let's test it out and see what will happen. Let's test it. So we're done with the workbench, and we're 25 minutes already. Time flies by so fast when you're developing. Okay, let's take 10 minutes to test so that we will have a lot of leeway to develop the rest. Okay, maybe let's add something here on our display. Add text. Hold on, I'll add something. Let's call this Speedrun Development Challenge. Okay. And then let's put it here above, maybe. Yeah, like that. Okay, let's continue. Let's open this. Continue. Okay, let's put this text so that people will know what we're doing. Like, what's the live stream about right now? Okay, so let's go. Let's test. So right now, all of the upgrades should be like not there, except for the tool storage, because we updated this. Oh no, this is wrong. So you can see all the storages are up. Like, supposed to be, they're not up, right? Anyway, let's test this one first. Tool storages. So yeah, I think that it's wrong. Just supposed to be, they should not appear first. So the first test fails. So let's do this again. So what we want is for the storages to not spawn yet. Just technically we haven't upgraded it yet, right? Let's set it up. Let's also update the lumberyard for it not to spawn the tool storage. It's supposed to be, the tool storage is not yet there by default. So let's do that first. Log storage blank here. So this should not be built like that. Then this one, let's review why it didn't work. So this is the controller for it. Okay, I see. So the problem is this one. See this storage upgrade structure? So it's looking at lumberyard. Supposed to be, it should not look at lumberyard. So cloth storage should check, because we're just copying it, right? So by default, it's just copying the old system from the lumberyard. So we're just gonna do it like this. So this is cloth. So why is it plank? So it should be cloth, not plank. So this is the error. So this should be looking for cloth, and then so this is correct already. And then resource should be cloth. So this is correct. And then the notify builder button, it's correct. The storage upgrade is wrong, so it should be this one. Oh no, not this one, but the upgrade. This one. Alright, this is correct now. Let's review. Yeah, it's correct. Next, let's go to the plank storage. So like it's the same. So plank, that's true. And the storage upgrade is wrong. So we should go to wait. This is wrong actually. This is supposed to be cloth storage, not plank storage. There. Okay, so cloth storage, and this one should be this one plank storage. It's plank. Okay, this is correct. Cloth and then plank. Storage upgrades for plank is plank. This is correct. Next is the stone slab. Okay, so what is this called? Stone slab. Stone slab, I think. And then wait, this should not be built yet. There. Stone slab, and then storage upgrade should be under the stone slab storage, this one. And then lastly, the tool storage. So needs planks, that's true. Oh, this is wrong. It should be planks. Yeah, it should be plank. Everything should be plank. This is actually these are actually the resources that we need to upgrade it. So I was mistaken. So everything should be plank. But the storage should be the storage upgrade. This one. Full storage. Okay, let's review. Tool storage is this. That's correct. 10 planks. True. Next, storage upgrade is this. This is under slab storage, which is true. Plank. And then this is the stone slab. Okay, this one is correct. Planks. And then lastly, the cloth storage. Okay, it's true. Plank. Okay, let's try. So this should be like everything seems to be correct now. And okay, while we're here, let's just add something here first. Yes, I don't like the design. So let's just add something here maybe on the sides. Let's get some huge some pillars here. Let's scale this correctly first and scale it down. Okay. Okay, maybe something like this. Yeah, this should be good. Let's just duplicate this one on the other side. Like so. this one, maybe we can, I don't know, make this smaller. Oh, nah, that should be good. Let's just move this a bit, like so. There you go. Then if you're gonna open tool storage, so it should be, yeah, something like this. No, you need to pull tool storage back a bit. And this is not really aligned well. Okay. Like that maybe. Yeah, this is much better than the old one. There. Okay, so if it's only the cloth storage, so when we remove this, it should be something like that. Or if you don't have the cloth storage, something like that. Okay, that should add something to it. For the plank storage, I don't know, maybe we're gonna add more to this. Let's just add something on the sides, I think. Just to add something, like this. Right now it's a bit too basic in a way. Just put some sidings here. Like that. And on the other side as well. Like that. Just to add something to the design, because I don't really like the current design. Maybe here, and no. Make this bigger and longer. That. I don't know. Let's just remove it. This will do. Okay, so for plank storage, it's just the side that we're gonna add. Like that. So that should make it look like it's upgraded or something. Let's try removing the rest. This, and this. Okay, so it should be extending further. Like that. Okay, that should be it. All right. Oh. Why is this off? There. Okay, so that should that looks good already. Let's test this one out and see. Well, that took us a lot of time just to change the look of the workbench. Okay, let's enter the game. Okay. So what to expect? It should be just a table. Okay, so it's correct. So it's just a table with some stuff. Okay, so let's get some items first. How can we get items though? Yeah, we can actually get it from here. Because we already have storages systems added. So let's see. In the warehouse, we're gonna add cloth. Let's just add 2. And plank, we're gonna add 2 as well. And rock chunk. For plank, let's just add many. Like, many. Then rock chunk should be just 2. Oh no, not rock chunk, but stone slab rather. Okay. Alright, so as you can see in there are stone slabs, a cloth, there's a plank. So it worked basically. And we can actually craft something like a crude hammer because we already have like 2 planks there. Maybe we can craft this one as well. Oh no, because it's 3 cloth for the hatchet. So we can only do the hammer. Maybe we're gonna change this. We're gonna add 1 more cloth so that we can at least craft this so that we can chop trees maybe. Or maybe we can reduce the cost for this. Yeah, I think we're gonna reduce the cost maybe for the hatchet. That should be fair, I think. Also for the pick. Yeah, let's just do that. We're gonna reduce it. Okay, so now let's get some planks. So I added in the storage not 2 but 23 planks. So that's a cheat mode. So we can actually get lots of planks, as you can see. So let's test the upgrade system. Which item are we gonna upgrade first? So let's go with the cloth storage first. So supply resource is complete, and then notify builder should build the cloth storage. There. So it did work. See? So that's one good cloth storage. And then next, plank storage, supply resource, then notify. There. So we have the plank storage already. And then next is the stone slab storage, supply. Oh, we no longer have planks. So let's add more planks to the warehouse. Okay. Okay, so let's wait. It didn't work. Why? Planks. Oh, max storage is 2. Why? It should be 23. Why is it 2 though? Wait, there's already plant storage, and it's saying max storage 2. So that's a bug. So let's fix that, because we can't really take let me say blank storage. This one. It's saying here 2, and max storage is 2. So this should be changed. So for some reason this didn't work. Let's check the other one. Let's check the cloth storage. It's the same, so it didn't work. See? So when we clicked the button, I think I know the problem. Like the button should be assigned to a specific script. But let's test the visualization first. You just need to get some just need to get this one. Oh, it's 200 now for some reason. It's just 20. Okay, let's change this to should be 20 and 20. Okay, there. Yeah, let's just get the storages and then the plank storage, and build the tool and the slab so that we can investigate what's going on, why it's not working. So let's do the stone slab. There, so there's the stone slab. Okay, let's check the stone slab. What's going on? So see, so it didn't update max storage to 28. So that's the issue. Okay, but for now, let's just do the tool storage and see. Wait, it's just 9, so we lack 1. Take blank. There. Okay, supply, notify. Okay, there. So it did work. We added additional tool storages. So this is the full version of our workbench. So now let's investigate what happened, why it didn't update the max capacity. So time check, it's already 12:55. We already consumed 48 minutes of our time. The goal is to finish everything in 2.5 hours. So we're almost done with the first workbench, so we still have a lot of time left. But then again, we don't know which bugs will pop up, so like right now, there are bugs. So let's try and investigate the button. The builder button is this. This is correct, but the question is which cost storage it's trying to refer to. It's actually the correct one. So this one. Okay. And storage upgrade is this. Okay. This one. Max capacity 25. We didn't really touch anything here. It's just here. But for some reason, it didn't work as intended. So what happens is, if we're gonna click this, where is it? This. So we're supplying resource, and then once resource is supplied, this will activate. If this activates, it will tell us to, it will tell this to notify builder. So this one, notify builder, then update structure. So it did upgrade the structure, but it didn't update the max inventory. Okay, so the issue should stem from the storage controller itself. This one. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's investigate this. I think it's here. There's what we call storage upgrade. And then there's this, update storage capacity. Store inventory to storage to update storage capacity. I see. So when it starts this, oh, I see. So this should not be here. I think it should be here on enable. So we should update on enable because on start it only updates. It's activated by default, and then if you upgrade it, the start function is already done. So that means we will not have an opportunity to do this. Yeah, so that's the reason. So on enable, to update the capacity, let's just put else here, just in case. And then max storage is base capacity. Just a backup. Just in case in the future we're trying to despawn these items and respawn it. So the reason why it failed is because we're trying to turn it off and turn it on again. Hence, it's just storing max storage as 2. It's supposed to be. Let's test this first. Okay, so by default, they should be 2. So say this is correct. And then if we're gonna update this, let's say this is true, and then we're gonna reset the storages like so. So it should be 20. So this is correct. So if we're gonna turn this off, yeah, so this is more safe now and more dynamic than before. So this is 2, so this is correct. Okay, let's test again. Let's do this. Right. Okay, let's supply some resources first. Let's go plants. Are there a lot of plants? This is from the other side. This one, we need this one. Okay, let's just do it like this for now. Okay, so let's grab everything. Take plank. There, and then we're gonna upgrade everything also. So we're gonna upgrade cloth storage. We're gonna upgrade plank storage. Stone slab. Oh, we no longer have planks. Let's add more planks. So let's test first and see if this can hold the planks needed. So plank storage, we have here, it's still the same. Why? Okay, should it? Ah, I see. If we take though, let's say let's interact with this. Take plank, and then there we're taking planks. Okay. Okay, so it should update the take planks as well. Update structure on the take planks. Not only on, I'm activating it. So we're only updating it when we're storing, which is wrong. Okay, so when we're taking it, let's refactor this. We need to tell crafting storage directly, I think, and not rely on enable. So when we're building, update structure, true. So we activate the structure. So that's the only thing it does, but I think we need to okay, we need to tell it to is the build order controller. We need to tell this to tell this. Yeah. Storage upgrade. So storage capacity should be updated. Let's find a better way to put this. So let's not put it here. Instead, let's find a better way to do this. If we're interacting, that's one way to do it. If the object's are interactable, we can update it. we're pressing E, or we're pressing Q. So that's another way to do it. Here. Let's just put it here. What's this? I don't want to put it in the updates function though. If it's interactable, meaning you're near the object, so it should update it like this. So this is the easiest way to do it. And let's just add something in. That. No, we don't need this. It's okay already. And then we don't need this already because it's already in the update function anyway. So this is just light. It's very a light function. So yeah, we can just do it like that. Again, let's do this again. All right, so let's test. Okay. Wait. There's something wrong with the building flags because it's showing the very bottom part. It should show the top part most at first. Let's investigate that one later on. For now, let's just fix this. Let's add blanks to the warehouse. Then refresh it. There. Let's take blanks. Take blank. We should be taking a lot of blanks. Then let's do an upgrade. So right now let's check first. The storage capacity for the plank storage is 2 max, which is correct. And now let's try and upgrade it. Supply and notify. So now what happened? So it's not interactable, right? We can't interact with it yet, but if we do interact with it like this, oh, it created an error. But it did, like, see, max storage is correct, but there's an error here. Tool storage. This one. Ah, I see. We didn't assign this one. Ah, it's the stone cutter. So we're not working on that yet. Yeah, let's do the other one. It seems to be correct now. Cloth storage, supply, and notify. And then let's check the storage capacity for the cloth. Where is it? Log plant. This is lumberyard. Here. Cloth. Then maximum for cloth. It's still 2. Because we're not interacting with it. But if once we interact with it, like so, it's still 2. And it's saying plank. This is weird. So this should be not plank storage. Menu collider. Cloud storage. It's cloud storage. Cloth storage upgrade. I see. Should be this. That's why. I see. Let's review again the storages. This is the error that we're having. The storage upgrades has not been assigned to the object controllers. That's the reason we have some errors. Okay, let's do this one by one. Let's start with the cloth. So it should be here. This one. So this is correct. The slab. I see. So it's only the cloth that we didn't update. That's why it didn't do anything. Let's try again. Hopefully we will no longer encounter errors because we are running out of time. We're already 1 hour and 8 minutes. What's going on? Okay, let's test it. Split planks. 20, then reset, and let's get the planks. Let's upgrade and check. Let's start here. We have the plank storage, then the okay, let's check if it's right. Yeah, it's correct now. How about for the cloth? It's also correct. So we did fix the issue. Let's add more planks. And let's reset it. Okay, it did work. Let's take some planks and upgrade the tool storage and the slab. Okay. Wait, we lack one. Okay, so it's done. Let's try the tool storage first. Wait, there's no tools here. Okay. So we're done with this. Let's just review first the capacity for storages. So we can store this. We can, for the cloth it's 25, stone slab it's 28. That's correct. Then this one it's 20. So yeah, so this is done already. So we're done with this. Let's proceed to the next one, which is this one here. So on the stone cutter. So at first, I think, just like same with the other one, I think it's best if we're gonna like put some foundation at the floor for the rock chunks. Maybe put some coarse rock underneath, like rock chunks. Yeah, so I think we'll do that. Let's go to the UI for this one first. Okay, so we're done with this. This is done already. Next thing we're gonna do is, wait, hold on. We're gonna copy this again, the flag, the banner. UI flag. I think we're just gonna copy from the lumberyard, because it's the most like close. It's closer. Like it's somewhat similar to the stone cutter. Okay, and then let's go there. There. Where shall we put this? Maybe here. Okay, yeah, that will do. Okay, so the build flag. Let's do the UI first, just like before. UI. And then we're gonna this is scrolled to the bottom, that's why it should be up like that. It should be 0. Okay, Okay, so let's do this first. Log storage. So this should be rock chunk storage icon. It will be rock chunk. Then name should be rock chunk storage. Let's ask GPT make for rock chunk. Their coarse rocks ready in the stone cutter. Okay. Build cost. There should be 2. In the design it's currently 1, but I was thinking, what if instead of logs, we're gonna require rock chunk as well, just to like, so that they'll be similar, right? Like there be like it's their mirror. So logs for the other one, and here it's rock chunk. And we're just gonna add some rock chunks on the ground, maybe. Well, that's my idea. Like that. Yeah, I think this will do. And then the description should be source coarse rock chunks in simple ground. Big storage rock chunks, reducing clutter and sharing minions and different materials. Rock chunks neatly contained, only cluster goes. Looks like a simple wooden area closed off by planks, and the flooring is our rock chunks as well to prevent dirt from maybe something like that. So short chance with this one culture of this online for keeping raw materials clean, ready for playing. Okay, this is good. Let's basic one hold in. Where's basic source culture chance also? And on one batches. Okay, so it's just removing the dash. Anyway, so okay, let's just do this for now. So we need rock chunk as a material. So we're gonna redesign later on. Okay, next. This is done. So next is plank storage. Do we need this? No, I think not. We just need, instead of a plank storage, we need a stone stone slab storage. Icon should be stone slab. Okay. Name should be stone slab storage. Make another this for stone slab storage, stone cutter. Then the cost should be the same. 10 planks will do. Okay. Source finished stone slabs beside the stone cutter. They're just to makeshift containers made of planks that are on the ground. The last one, it's for the stone mold. Storage finished stone slabs in 2 simple plank containers on the ground, keeping process steps organized. Okay. Then, okay, one should work. Okay. Then this one. Firewood storage, it should be stone mold storage. Mold. Then the name. Stone mold. Description. Now make for a stone mold. It's just a flat storage platform made of planks. Just to elevate it from the ground to prevent mud water. Turn down drink a process for smuggling. Okay. This one will do. Give stone mold arrange small plant platform putting with mud. Okay. So the plant surface holding stone molds when doing this. B should be good. Okay. There. Okay. Then last is the tool storage. Tool storage should be, instead of crude hatchet, it should be pick. Crude pick. And it's the same build name and everything, but make for tools storage, the tools are pick and pickaxe. The tools package, it should be pickaxe. Source on good like pay and pay a simple wooden rack, keeping them organized and ready for meals. Okay, this is okay. Stuck in easily. Provides not smart. Okay, provides basic tools. Sort of. This one is okay. Okay. There. So that should be everything so far. Tool storage, source, so no tools, blah blah. Okay. Should be it. Okay, next. We're gonna link everything. Okay, so we're gonna set everything first. So for this, it requires blank, and supposed to be it requires rock chunk. So there's only one rock chunk as of the moment. There. This one, plank, plank, and plank. These are all correct. Now we just need to connect everything to our storages. So we still haven't made the storages. The storages are here, but we still haven't made some other, like the base storages. I think we're gonna put base storage for rocks below. Maybe some of these as well, maybe molds here at the top, and then for the tool here. So basically they're just on the table. So that's the idea. Okay, let's start with this one. So this will be our storage, and let's just get one rock, and wait, let's just add more. Maybe we're gonna add maybe one rock or 3 rocks. I think 3 rocks will do on the ground. But first, let's modify the storage itself, because I've said in the description that the storage should have, like, it should have a, like, it's lined, it's floored with rocks underneath, right? So let's do this first. Let's floor it with rocks first. So this is a rock, but let's do it like this, the flat surface. Like that. Because on the description we said that it's floored with rocks, right? So let's just do this first. Something like that. Maybe make it bigger, so to save resources as well. So we don't want it to be let's do it like that. Then let's just keep it random. Like so. Don't mind the grass. This place is actually just a temporary place for us to just to put things. Something like that. Maybe we're gonna change the sizes as well. So okay. So we're just using one rock and just rotating it to make variety. Okay, I think that should work. Okay, so that should be it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6. These are 6 rock chunks. Okay, that should be good. let's just do like let's just work with this for now. And then so this is the stored amount. Then we're just gonna put this inside the container. Because the container should be the storage upgrade. So let's put this here. And then we're gonna add rocks here at the bottom. So let's just get some rocks and put it here. Maybe one rock will do. Let's just put it here. Oh no, I think I remembered. Same with the plank. I mean same with the logs. We just moved the first rock, and then we call it base storage, like that. And then if this is gone, storage upgrade is not yet there. It's just one rock there, right? Then we upgrade it. We just open this. So I think we'll just go with that one. Okay, so that's done for the rock storage. We're then gonna assign the storage upgrade, this one here. So it's still the same number, 15. And we're gonna change the capacity. Base capacity is 1, max capacity is 15. Should be it. Right, then storage upgrade still at the log storage, so we should change it to this, the rock storage there. So that should work. Okay, next we're gonna go to the stone slab storage, this one. So I think they're too far apart, maybe. I don't know. Maybe we're gonna just put some stone slab here, or some stone piles, and just reuse the current ones. So maybe same with the planks. Let's go with the minimum that we can make. So we can actually make 1:1. So maybe we'll just use 1. I think maybe we'll just put 1 here. I don't know. I think we'll arrange this first. I think that's the best way to do it, is to arrange first. Like centralize everything here, maybe. Like that. Like so. I don't know. I'm not sure. Let's bring it back. So I'm thinking how to store the resources, because technically we want it to be closer to the area. Let's just bring this near for now. Let's just bring this here like that, and then the mold should be here as well, like that, just to make it compact. I think it's best this way. So I'm also trying to consider the positioning of things, like this one. So player should be positioned here when trying to access this container, and this one player should position here. Okay, let's try. Okay, so for the rocks, let's see. This is the stone slab storage. This one. So we want 1 stone slab. So that one under. I put it up here. It's 27. Maybe we can put 3. How about this one? 24. Maybe 1 of each will do. Yeah, let's just do 1 of each. Let's get 1 here. And then we're gonna separate this. Then call this base. I think 1 is too little. Maybe let's add more. 1. Two. 3 maybe? Yeah, we can go with 3. Yeah, let's go with 3. And for this, for the mold, mold should be 3 as well. Let's just put it here. And something like that would do. So we're gonna put here the tools, a pickaxe or a pick. So we should have space like that. This one should have space as well. Maybe like that. Yeah, I think that would work. Let's see. So this is additional slots now. So we're adding 3, so this should be 30. Max capacity is 30 and 3. And the storages, so we added 3, right? Let's just reset everything for now. Preset. And then we're gonna drag these 3 first. These 3. Then next is these 27. There. Let's do that for the other one. But first, let's check this one out first. So 33, this is correct. Storage upgrade should be this. Okay, this is the container. So it should be like the 3 should be under a parent called storage upgrade. And then we're gonna assign it here. There. And the other one, so we already have the storage upgrade, but we need to put this here, there. Okay, so this is correct now. Let's see. So we added how many? This is 24. Let's just redo everything. This is 0. So base is 3. Capacity is 24. no, 24 plus 3, 27. Like that. So the first storage is the base storage. And then the upgraded storages. There. Okay, so that should work. Now we're gonna assign the flags, because the flags doesn't have any storage upgrade yet. So let's start with what's this? This is the rock chunk. What's this? What? Yeah, this one. So storage upgrade, so it's already here. For this one, no, not yet. So this is the stone slab. So stone slab, this one. And stone mold. Stone mold is this. And then tools. Tool storage rack. What's this? Let's call this storage upgrade. There. So that should work. Okay, next is the tool storage itself. Let's check first. See here, this tool storage upgrade. This one, we don't have the storage upgrade yet, so we should assign it. And this one, we already have it. For this one, we already have it. So everything seems to be working fine now. I think the last thing that we don't have yet is for the tool slots. So let's work on that. So we already have here some tools. So we just need to put them here. So I think we'll just get one. Yeah, let's just move everything here first on the center. Wait. Let's move it here a bit. Then let's get the one. Move it around. So this is a bit weird, just the positioning for this is off, because it's supposed to be centered, so we will not really follow the mesh. It should be something like this maybe, and it should appear here, hopefully. There's a big gap, right? So we don't really follow this this guide in a way. Something like that maybe. So I'm just trying to estimate this. So it should be also rotated upwards, like so. I don't mind the mesh because this is wrong. Okay, let's try. Already correct here. Let's go. Stone cutter. Okay, so let's try. So we have the flag for the stone cutter. So it's correct. And also the orientation is correct as well. When we open it, it's here. Okay. The tool is floating. There, you see? So we need to modify this. Let's work on the tool first. So what I do is I just get the tool, then get the slot itself, this one, the slot. And then I move it around like so until it fits. Like that. And then I use that as a reference. So usually this part here is so we do it like this maybe, because this will be like if there's a pickaxe, so it should appear like this, something like this, right? It should appear like this. As if you imagine there's a pickaxe here, so pickaxe is the longest one, like that. And then I just copy this, copy component there. So it should copy everything in the transform. Copy component. And when I undo it, I just paste it in the slot. That's how I undo stuff. So the mesh that you just saw is just for visuals. It's actually not really needed. I'm gonna delete that component in the future, but for now it's there just as a guide. There, so that should be it. Okay, so what else? Let's try again. It's almost 2. So we're almost 2 hours in. We still have around 40 minutes to complete everything. Oh, we're almost done, so it's a good thing. We're ahead of schedule. So this one is correct. The alignment seems to be okay. We're gonna just copy that with the rest of the UI, because the alignment is wrong on the previous ones. So we're gonna fix that as well later. Okay, let's test the UI. Oh, why? Why can't I interact with it? Oh, I see, because I removed the UI. It should be just the canvas. Okay, there. So it's working, right? How about the storages? So there are storages here. Stone slab and stone mold. There's stone mold. Wait, what's going on? Yeah, there's stone mold storage as well. Okay. Let's get a pick. Let's try and process something. Let's take the pick. Use the pick. Let's throw this. Now let's gather resources first. I want to check if by moving things around, I'm thinking it might break some things. So let's try and see if it did break things. So these are rock chunks. Let's put it in the rock chunk storage. Here, store. So there, can we store more? What? Why can we store more? Supposed to be we can't store more. Anyway, let's just test it for now. So let's make one rock chunk and one stone mold and see what will happen. But nothing happens. Why? Ah, because we don't have a rock chunk. That's why. Let's just store everything, even though there's no storage. Maybe we can store more rocks, not just one. I think it's weird, just storing one. Maybe we can store 4 rock chunks, maybe. There, 1. Okay, the pathing seems to be okay. Let's check the stone mold. Okay. Maybe we can put it closer here for the stone mold. Yeah, we'll do that. So, seems to be working. The only issue is, we're gonna put them closer, I think. The storages. Let's try that one. Maybe we can make the what do you call this? The colliders bigger so that we can reach a lot. So let's fix this one first. It's just it just has something to do with the positioning of where the player will walk. Maybe just here. Then slab is okay already. Then the rock, can just put it here closer. And then this is okay now. Then for this one, for everything actually, we're gonna just expand the what do you call this? This one, the menu colliders. We're gonna expand it to 3. So that if you're here, you're nearby at the center, you can still interact with it. So I think this will be good. 3 is a good balance. So menu collider, as well as this one. This one, we're at the center. So this is for the stone slab. So I think, and we'll just go with 3 as well. I think 3 is too big. Let's just go with the usual. And then for the small stone mold though, since it's too far away, we can adjust this to 3 or 2. No, we can go with 3. Yeah, so that way, if you're here in the middle, it's accessible everywhere. So yeah, that should be it. So that should work. Now we're gonna test what's going on with this. Why is it not working as intended, like the limits. This is the storage upgrade. Okay, so this is the storage upgrade, so it should be correct. Why is it not working though? Storage upgrade. This one. Okay. So this one, storage upgrade is this. That is correct. And then base storage is this, which is correct as well. Max capacity 15, base capacity 1, this is correct. Storages, it's correct as well. Resource type correct. This is okay. Everything seems to be okay about this one. This is right. What? This is right as well. Okay, everything seems to be right by far. I don't know why. Oh, maybe the function is not working. Let's just fix that later. For now, let's just complete the upgrades. Okay. Are there errors? Okay, this is the repair table. Okay. Let's try the rock chunk. Let's put the rock chunks. Okay, it did work. Let's check the tool. Is the pick correctly positioned? I think so. Maybe. Yeah, it seems to be floating a bit. Let's just edit that later. Let's pick some rocks. Okay, let's supply. Then let's just get planks from the warehouse. Where is this? This is the workbench. Let's just upgrade the plank storage for the workbench. Okay, let's go. Wait, it's not updated. Workbench. Why is this not upgrading? What's going on? Okay, this is wrong. It's 20. There's actually 20 planks here. But why can't I get them? That's the question. Ah, because I don't have space. That's why. Okay, it's not an error actually. So it's just me. Okay, let's upgrade some stuff. Let's go. Supply, notify. Yeah, it's working fine. Be right back a bit. Okay, where were we? I'm back. Let's upgrade the rest. Let's do stone slab storage. There, it's been updated below. Get more planks. Okay. What are the rock chunks here? Oh yeah, we placed the rock chunks there. Let's get more planks. Let's get 20 planks. Oh no. There. Plank. Take planks. Okay, we have planks now. And let's upgrade the rest of the station. Okay, let's add a mold storage. There, we have the mold storage here. Then the tool storage. There's the tool storage. Okay, so everything seems to be working as intended. Yeah. Yeah, so it's working fine now. We still need to check some other stuff though. Let's try it here. Let's try the lumber yard. Let's get some lumbering. Let's chop some wood. And let's see if the bug similar to this workstation is here. We need to know if that's really an error or not. So let's try to put this log inside the lumberyard. If it's an error, then it's an error all across the systems. Okay, so we have one lumber storage, so let's store the log. Okay, so we can store one. How about two? Okay, we can't store. So it seems to be working fine in a way, but I don't know why it's not working here with this one, with the rock chunks. Let's try it again. Let's try again. So there's no errors with the filtering. It's actually we created that system before, the filtering system. Let's try and figure out why this part here, the rock part, is not working. Hmm. Why is this like this? Oh no, that is correct. Okay. here. Let's get some tools. And let's mine some rocks. So we have 2 rock chunks, and let's see if we can store 2. Store. And yeah, we can still store for some reason. Let's investigate what's going on here. So it's supposed to be, can only store, it's max storage 3 actually. I see. So we added 3 max storage for it, supposed to be. That's why. Oh no, this is stone slab. Let's go to this. Object controller. It's supposed to be 1. See? I'm wondering why it's not working. And it's also, yeah, this is an error. See? It's an error. It's supposed to be you can't pick this one up. Here. This is the repair table. It has nothing to do with what's going on. This is weird. Like this one. We're not supposed to interact with this. That's the error actually. What the logs? Let's try the logs. Can we interact with a log here? No, we can't. See? So we're not supposed to interact with the storages. But for some reason, when we put a rock chunk, oh, it's actually working. See? Oh no. See that? Supposed to be we can't interact with this. So that's the reason why it created an error. See? Anyway, so that's the only issue that we have. So far, all the features has been made. And like the goal, the speed run goal that we're trying to achieve has been completed actually. We just need to test them. So yeah, so I think we're done with the speed run. I'll just do some polishing later on, maybe off screen, and polish some stuff. They're just minor stuff. So all of these are now done. The builder flags, maybe this one, we're gonna fix this one as well. The layouts, like when they pop. We also want to update these cards if they're already built. So that's another feature we're gonna make maybe later. And also we want to remove the flag if everything is built. So that's another thing that we need to think about. And maybe make a save system. I don't know. Maybe or maybe not yet. We still need to double check everything first before we do the save systems for the lumberyard and all the crafting stations. So you want to, like, we want the save system to know if which buildings are built already, and like if there are orders inside this one, so it should know. So there are a lot of things that we need to tackle, especially for like with the save systems. Like for example, this one, like what are the items in this rack? So we should save that one as well. So yeah, so there's still a lot of things that we need to work on. But so far, as for our goal right now, we did achieve it under 2 hours and 30 minutes. We still have 5 minutes to go. So yeah, so we did achieve our goal. So later or tomorrow on our live stream, the next goal is to polish everything that we made. We'll fix the bugs. We'll fix the UI errors. We're gonna add here some descriptions. Like if we hover on these planks, it will open up the description menu or the description for the item as well. Yeah, and again, that one, if this is built, we're gonna remove this card, and then if everything is built, we're gonna remove the entire building flag, the builder flag. So yeah, so I think that's about it for now. So see you on the next live stream. Thank you guys for watching, and till next time. Bye for now.